What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Taco, and let's just get some things out of the way. Number one, if you do like what you see, don't forget to hit that like button. Also, if you want to support the channel, hit that sub button with the notification bell ticked so you never miss a video again. Number two, if you find me that interesting and you think my art's pretty cool, go on over, check out my Instagram for some daily art and updates. Alright guys, I got a new mount for my camera. It's a top-down facing camera mount. I'm not sure if that's the actual name for it, but that's what I'm going to be calling it. So if you stopped by my stream before, you've most likely have seen this already, but this is the first time I get to use it in one of my YouTube videos, and I'm super excited about it. And speaking of streams, I do stream on Twitch every Wednesday around 8 or 9 p.m. Eastern, so be sure to come by and hang out. Link in the description down below. This beautiful thing of a beast is handcrafted by my father-in-law, who you can call Phil. This mount was made from the sturdy pressure-treated 2x4s from the jungle they call Home Depot. We use the plans from modern builds with a few modifications to even make it collapsible. How about we get some drawing done? But first, let's clean up this messy table. Whew, super clean. So I was hired by my tia to do a portrait of my cousin, also her son. And to tell you the truth, I was a little nervous to take the job on because it was my first commission of a portrait, especially with it being someone so close to me. George is my best friend, and I wanted to be able to capture that along with his personality in this portrait. If you know George, you know he's a man of very few words, which is why I didn't use too many colors. I also chose to use his favorite color, blue, as the only color in this picture. Getting the proportions right took multiple tries, but I finally managed to get them down. Now, with that being said, to the many who are watching this, let's get ready to ink! While I was laying down these first lines of ink, I was worried I was gonna find some flaws that would have to make me redraw this piece. Luckily, I didn't, which is why I moved on to the face. As I started to draw the eyes, I got really excited to fully flesh this piece out, which I get excited for because it puts me in this trance of mindlessly drawing, where I'm excited to finish the portrait and see the final results, but I'm not rushing to get there, which to me is a form of meditation, which I forget about the world around me and I'm just focused on the task at hand by just getting lost in the details. Which brings me to my favorite part of this piece, his right arm. Here I used a technique called cross-hatching, which allowed me to create the shading and the illusion of the folds in his sleeves. Which, you know, not to toot my own horn, but toot toot, I think I did a great job. And now this brings us to the final stages of this portrait. By coloring the vest and pants black, I truly feel that it brought the piece together and even made the details pop a little more. With that being said, I am very happy about how this piece turned out, and very proud and impressed with myself. Before I show you the final reveal, I just wanted to say, thank you guys so much for sticking around to the very end of this video. Also, if you truly enjoyed what you saw, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you would like to support the channel, hit that subscribe button with the notification bell ticked so you don't miss any future videos. If you would like to support me as an artist, my commissions are open in case you or your loved ones would like something special this holiday season. You could DM me on Instagram, you can go on my website, there's a contact form there, or you could just email me. Everything will be down below in the description. And I also do stream on Twitch every Wednesday, and some days in between, at 8 p.m.
or none, just go follow me on Twitch. Roll it!
You like it?
¿Ah?
Sí, está bien ahí. Thumbs up.
Me gusta, sí.